Hello everyone, and welcome to Looney's hand poke tattoo kits tutorial for setting up your basic hand poke tattoo kit and how to basically get your entire setup done properly and cleanly to get ready to basically do your very first hand poke and stick tattoo. So as you can see, I've already taken one of the medical grade cloth sheets out and I've laid it across this canvas area. This is where I'm going to have all my components. This is where I can keep my area clean. Next, I want to get my ink and all that stuff set up. So I'm going to take the ink cup. I'm not going to put ink in it just yet. I just want to get my station correct. This is a little trick just to keep your ink cup from falling over or falling around. I like to take a little bit of the AD ointment and then I like to just press it. The most important part is how are we going to create our tool with the basic hand poke kit. You're going to take your clean sterilized needle. It should be in a clean sealed case just like ours are. You should make sure that the expiration date hasn't hit. We are going to basically take our tool and we're going to put it onto the popsicle stick. And the trick with this is as we put this on here, you can see we want to pull tight. So as you can see, I've done basically just a thin wrap. Ink's ready to go. And what we're going to do here is we're just going to dabble the ink in, fill the cup up maybe halfway. I have a practice tattoo skin. These silicone practice tattoo skins come actually in a couple of our kits. We need to put our little shaving cream on there. Okay, and then now we're shaving our canvas. Our canvas is now clean. So let's say in this scenario, we're doing a simple little smiley face. Make sure you apply a good amount of pressure and poke through. Angle your needle or your angle of impact to basically roughly around 45 degrees. Your ink cup's ready to go. Your tool's ready. Do a couple little test hits on the sheet just to make sure that when you press, there's no movement, the needle's not loose. I like to go back over the spot that I just came through. And then you're gonna take your solution, your green soap solution, your sheet, and obviously make sure to wipe off the excess ink. Simple little nice smiley face with our basic hand poke tattoo kit. Now once the canvas and tattoo is done, you gotta make sure that the thing is clean. You take a little bit of that ointment, you don't need a whole lot. Putting A&D ointment on there 2 or 3 times a day. Light, very, very light amount, but 2 or 3 times a day. That again is how to do a tattoo with the basic hand poke kit from Looney's hand poke tattoo kits.